Hello guys, this is Shubhadeep. Welcome to my channel. So from this video I am starting a playlist how to write SQL queries in Pandas. Okay, so here you can see this is our employees and projects table. Okay, so the question is how many employees are there who are handling more than one projects. Okay, so this is a simple SQL query. Here you can see I am taking employee and ID, count of projects as project count, from employees, left join projects P. On I have this foreign key, employee ID from employees table and employee ID from projects table. Then I am grouping by employee ID, where having count of project ID is greater than 1. So if I run this one, I will get employee ID 4. So from here you can see employee ID 4. So employee ID 4, David Brown. So he is in 2 projects. Okay, project ID 101 and project ID 105. Only one employee has 2 projects. Now I have to write the same query in Pandas. Okay, so here you can see this is my Pandas. So you have to import this ODBC library, PyODBC, import PyODBC, then import Pandas as PD. Then you have to create the connection from SQL Server to Pandas. So how? I am taking a variable connection, then pyodbc.connect. You have to give this one ODBC driver 17 for SQL Server. Server is my local host, database is Office. Then trusted connection is yes. Then query equals to select star from employees, select query 1 equals to select star from projects. Then I have to create a data frame. Okay, so I am creating a data frame named employees. pd.read SQL. It will read the SQL. The query I am getting from here. Okay, then connection. It will be creating a connection. Then again like something like projects equals to pd.read SQL query 1. So it is coming from here. Select start from projects. Again connection. So if I read, if I print these 2 data frames, I'll get these 2 tables. Then connection.close. This is our setup. Okay, now how to write the query. So here you can see, so I need a variable df2. So df2 equals to, I need to join this one, right? These 2 table I need to join. So how to join? So employees dot merge. So in Python merge is for join. So merge. Now I need, for my left table is projects, right? So I write like projects. Okay, then I need from this left table I'll write like left on. Okay, this function left on equals to employee ID. Why employee ID? Because from this employee ID I'll be joining the projects table. Okay, from this projects left on employee ID. Okay, now what is my right table? My right table is projects, right? So I'll write like right on equals to employee ID. So it is coming from projects, employee ID. Then how I am joining? I am joining with left join. So how equals to left. Okay, now I need to count the projects, right? How many projects? First I need to do the group by, then from that group by I need to count So whatever I am doing with having, so from that for that thing I am creating another variable count projects equals to df2 dot group by. So I need group by function. Group by, what I need to group by? I need to group by employee ID. So employee ID, so dot, so it will create a table with group by. Okay, now it is grouped by with employee ID. So from this table I need aggregate, so AGG aggregate. So what aggregate will do? Aggregate will do the aggregation. Okay, so it will do the aggregation on what? It will count how many projects. So aggregate project count. I am giving a name. Now I have to give a name. Project count. Project count. So project count equals to, now what I need to count? I need to count project ID. Then project ID. Okay, comma, I need to give count. So this will count the project ID with aggregate function from this grouped table. Okay, how many projects are there? Okay, dot reset index. So reset index is for just for indexing. Okay, so now if I run this one, okay, so here you can see, these are the projects people are handling. Okay, but here you can see this is my fourth employee ID who is having 2 projects. Okay, so how to get only this employee? So I need to write like employees more than 1 project. Okay, equals to, so I need this table, right? Count projects. So I'll write like count projects. Okay, so in this table, in this data frame, I need count projects, and from here I need project count, this one, newly created column. Okay, copy, paste, project count. So from this table, from this column, I need to check only greater than 1, right? So I'll write like greater than 1. Okay, and this will be quotation. Okay, so if I run this one, sorry, so if I run this one right now, I have to run this one. Okay, so if I run this one, here you can see employee ID 4, project count is 2. So fourth employee is getting 2 projects. Employee ID 4 is getting 2 projects. So like this we can write a SQL query in Python also, in Pandas also. I hope you like this video. If you like my channel, please subscribe it, share it among your friends. Thank you guys. Thank you.